feels really uplifting na ang mga kasama ko dito magagaling din. Such a great experience. Yung passion ko po talaga ay music. I've always loved to sing every single day of my life. Said to myself, gusto ko po talagang maging isang singer kasi ito talaga ang passion ko. Every performance, the performance of your life, people only remember your last performance and they judge you by your last performance. I'd like to give my best. I hope I can succeed.
Kasama natin ngayon, of course, the brother of Marky. We have Kai. How you doing?
We ask you, what is your message for your brother who's about to perform on stage?
His passion has always been singing, and I just hope that he can sing from his heart, and good luck to him.
Well,
yeah,
I'm
man,
sure
that's what I'm talking about too, bro.
Well, I'm sure he's gonna sing from his heart. Now, ito na, grabe daw siya makatitig, pero sinasabi ko sa inyo, kayo dapat hindi kumurap ngayon.
That's right. Out to prove that good looks and good,
of course, a lot of talent.
Definitely a lot of talent na can co-exit. Let's give it up for Marky himself.
Life is a mystery. Everyone must stand alone. I hear you call my name, and it feels like home. When you call my name, it's like a little rain down on my knees. I wanna take you there in the midnight hour. I can feel your power, just like a prayer. You know I'll take you there and close my eyes. Oh God, I think I'm falling out of the sky. I close my eyes. Let the choir sing. When you call my name, it's like a little rain. Down on my knees, I wanna take you there. I can feel your heart, just like a prayer. Gonna take you there. Just like a prayer, your voice can take me there. Just like I'm used to me, you are a mystery. Just like me, you are not what you see. Just like rain, no touch, your voice can take me
A round of applause for Marky! Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Ano ba ang meron ka?
Marky, good evening, brother.
Good evening.
Bro, let me ask you, we heard that your parents are very, very supportive of you. They even helped you choose a song for this competition.
Yeah, they did. They were the ones who chose. They helped me choose the song.
What would you want to tell your parents?
Thank you very much. Salamat po sa mga magulang ko that they told me what kind of song to choose for the final. Kasi ito po yung style ko po. Choral style.
Okay.
Judges?
Ikaw na, go. Okay, Marky, meron tayong kasabihan na hindi lahat binibigay sa tao. Pero na walang saysay itong salita na ito dahil lahat nasa iyo na. Gwapo, matangkad, dalawang instrumento ang nilaro ngayong araw na ito. Marky, isa na lang ang kulang sa'yo. Ako sa puso mo. At pag ang pag-ibig ko tinanggap mo, sagot ko ang kinabukasan mo.
Yun eh.
Miss I. Miss Chris, any words after that?
Ayoko na. Kasi kung i-second emotion ko yan, mapapagalitan ako. No, Marky, you know, it's always a challenge, diba? Especially in a talent competition to be as good-looking as you. I'm sure si Billy at si Luis nakaka-identify dyan. Mahirap talaga maging pogi.
Yes.
Pero, nakakabilib kasi piano na, saxophone pa. Normally, di ba? Sorry, no offense sa yung mga nagsa-saxophone talaga, hindi kagwapuhan. Pero ikaw talaga,
Ibang klase.
you're the total package.
Thank you po. Sir FMG.
Hopefully not the same comment as Miss Ai.
I hope not.
After the two ladies, I don't know what to say, no? Normally, I don't look at appearances. I mean, not appear, but kung guwapo o maganda, I just look at talent. But of course, if you have the looks, it really adds up to the complete performer. You outdid yourself. I mean, you can not only can you sing, you could play the piano and also the sax. And the choice of song was really great. You outdid yourself, Marky.
Thank you very much, judges.
That's right. Si Marky na ba ang first grand winner? Nasa inyo yan. Just vote PGT space Marky.
Uulitin ko po, that's PGT space MARKKI. Bro, thank you very much and good luck.
Good luck, bro.